Dear student, welcome back to our NIEVS home school. Hope you are fit and fine at home. I am Shiuly Saha, assistant teacher of English, National Ideal English Hosting School, morning shift. Student, today I would like to take your Bangladesh and Global Studies class for the student of class 3. Student, our today's topic is broad question 1 and 2 and fill in the blanks from chapter 2. Student, in previous class we have already discussed this chapter 2. Today we will give two broad question and fill in the gaps from this chapter. So student, let's get started our class. Question number 1, why do we need to help each other in the classroom? The answer of this question is we need to help each other in the classroom. We can help our classmates in many ways. Some are short-sighted, some are hard of hearing. We can help them to sit in the front bench. There are some special needs children. They need special care of their physical and mental conditions. We can take care of them in the classroom. So we need to support one another and respect everybody. Student, we need to, again I am telling this question, we need to help each other in the classroom. We can help our classmates in many ways. Student, you know that there are different types of students in our classroom. Some students are learn quickly, some students are learn slowly, some students are boys, some students are girls, and some are short-sighted. That means some students are unable to see things clearly, and some are hard of hearing, and some students are unable to hear things. Some are hard of hearing. That means some students are unable to hear well. We can help them to sit in the front bench. So, student, we should help them to sit in the first row because so that they can hear and they can see the board clearly. There are some special needs children. Student, special needs children, that means some students, okay, they need special care and attention. They need special care of their physical and mental conditions. We can take care of them in the classroom. Student, so we should take care of them in the classroom. You know that we live in a society, man cannot live alone. So we need to support one another and respect everybody. If we want to live peacefully and happily in a society, we should support one another and respect everybody. So student, why do we need to help each other in the classroom? It is the answer of this question. So number 2, how do we celebrate our religious festivals in Bangladesh? The answer of this question is there are 4 main religions in Bangladesh. All of them have different festivals. During Eid, Muslims go to the mosque to pray. Relatives and friends greet each other. Children enjoy themselves. Hindus during the festivals greet each other and share sweet and fruits. Buddhists offer special prayer during their festivals. Christians also give presents, have fun and eat a feast together during their festivals. Student, we know that we have 4 main religions in Bangladesh, and besides these religions, there are some ethnic groups too. All of them have different festivals, and student, you know that different ethnic groups have their own festivals too. During Eid, Muslims go to the mosque to pray. Eid is the greatest festivals of Muslims, and Muslims go to the mosque to pray. Relatives and friends greet each other. That means we invite relatives and friends in these occasions, and they come. We welcome each other. Children enjoy themselves. Children also enjoy these festivals with their friends. Hindus during the festivals greet each other and share sweet and fruits. You know that there are some festivals like Durga Puja, Saraswati Puja of Hindus. Okay, they share sweet and fruits in their occasions and welcome their friends and relatives. Buddhists offer special prayer during their festivals. Maghi Purnima and Buddha Purnima are two main festivals of Buddhists, and in these occasions they offer special prayer during their festivals. And Christians also give presents, have fun and eat a feast together during their festivals. You know that Christmas is one of the special occasions of Christians. So student, in this occasion they celebrate their festivals in their own way. So there are many festivals and many religions in our country, and they celebrate their festivals in their own way, students. Now go to the fill in the blanks. Number 1, there are some dash needs children in our society. Student, we know that there are some special needs children in our society. Special is SPECIAL. So there are some special needs children in our society. Dash is the greatest Muslim festival. We know that Eid is the greatest Muslim, EID, Eid is the greatest Muslim festivals. In festivals, number 3, in festivals children dash themselves with friends. We know that in the bracket we can write in festivals children enjoy, ENJOY, enjoy themselves with friends. Number 4, dash marks the birthday of Gautam Buddha. So we know Buddha Purnima marks the birthday of Gautam Buddha. Buddha, BUDDHA, Buddha Purnima, PURNI, Buddha Purnima marks the birthday of Gautam Buddha. Now go to the next point, our homework, number 6, and topic will be broad question 1. Student, broad question 1, why do we need to help each other in the classroom? This will be your homework, and submit your homework at on next Saturday from 9 AM to 3 PM. Student, stay well, stay safe at home, keep practicing at home. See you next class.